Fuck your startup scene with your 30-minute morning routines of reading TechCrunch, Mashable, Gizmodo, The Verge, and Product Hunt. Also, you don't feel left out. Fuck your weird fucking conversation. Things like, oh my god, did you see Snapchat's new feature? Oh my god, Instagram is totally copying Snapchat. Did you see Zuck's new town hall? Oh my god, did you see Elon Musk tweeted? Oh my god, Uber raised another sound of funny. Fuck that. Nobody cares, dude. Fuck your crazy podcast. Nobody gives a fuck about that Elon Musk is working 100 hours a week and that Marissa Mayer pulled a 130-hour a week while breastfeeding her newborns. You're not Elon Musk. You ain't Marissa Mayer. You're not gonna get to space. And you won't build the next SpaceX. Do me a favor. Put your fucking Mac away and go play with your kids. Fuck your drinking culture too. Please stop celebrating every goddamn thing with whiskey, beer or pizza. Like every cool company has a bar now. Oh okay, I'll come work for you because you have the Glenliver 17 and not the 15. That's why I show up to work every day. Thank you. Fuck your eating disorders. Why the fuck does everything have to be so extreme with you? On one end, the scale you've got, the pizza guzzling, office snack hoarding monster, and the other end you have the I must optimize every fucking living second douche that only drinks fucking Soylent. Seriously, what the bloody fuck, dude? And fuck all those parties after raising money. Don't you fucking get it? You just dug yourself a deeper grave. You should celebrate the day that you don't have to sell a part of your company to some goddamn fucking investor. Fuck your open space floor plans. You really think Zuck's built Facebook's 2017 roadmap while a Nerf war is raging? Fuck your standing desk, exercise ball, laying desk, treadmill desk. It ain't gonna fucking medicate those Doritos that you just munched on. So just shut the fuck up and sit in a normal chair like normal people. Fucking read a book a week. No one can read that fast. No one can read. I repeat, no one can fucking read that fast. How about actually reading that goddamn book? Fuck your references to Malcolm Gladwell and Dan Ariely. And stop fucking quoting Lean Startup for Christ's sake. We've all fucking read it. Fuck entrepreneurs nowadays, man. Like seriously, everybody is a fucking entrepreneur now, especially all those straight out of college entrepreneurs. It is called someone who is jobless, someone who can't fucking find a job after the degree. Fuck your bootstrapping too. Fuck working out of garages and fuck your 2.3 square meters workspace. But hey, at least I can get my dog to work. Yeah, fuck that too. Fuck you productivity freaks. You try to make me feel bad because I woke up only at 6 a.m. Oh, so you got up at 4:30, meditated for 30 minutes and reviewed your quarterly and yearly goals for another 30 minutes and slurped on that fucking delicious Soylent shake while checking daily retention trends. Fuck your noise cancelling headphones and Pomodoro timers, dude. You fucking to-do list, apps, notes, sticky notes, goddamn what and all, your Mac and shit. Just fuck everything, man. Fuck you for telling me that TV is a waste of time, but you're all about the Netflix and chill. You all fucking watch the same TV show. Stop fucking talking about how Mr. Robot is kind of like you because you geek out on that shit. You're just a fucking robot. That is very, very, very different. Keep laughing about how HBO Silicon Valley is so realistic instead of asking why the hell is it. But stop fucking telling me to always ask why. Fuck you and your stupid interview questions. Who the fuck thinks of these stupid fucking questions? I never had to shift a bitlet a CAA in my life and I never got a compilation error. When I need a hash set in Java, I just use fucking hash set. I don't fucking care about the complexity of the code because I can afford another EC2 instant. So, fuck you. Fuck your fucking jargon and acronyms. Fuck DAUs, WAUs, MAUs, ARPU, LTV, CPM, CPI, CPC, PPC, CPA, CTR, SEO, ASO, YOW, wow, fuck over fuck. Who the fuck can keep track of all this shit? And the fucking networking events, my fucking lord. Everyone there is a CEO of something and they're all building an MVP that is going to chill the course of the world and improve its user experience. Fuck the transparency trend, the post-mortem and the 5 whys. We can fucking see right through you. Fucking have a design sprint in every sprint, pushing to productions 100 times a day, using no staging environments and building a microservice architecture. Fuck your feature flags and endless variants in your A/B testing. I want to get the same fucking homepage when I click on your website for the next consecutive days. Fuck you startups with your crazy extravagant parties and crazy offsite events that cost way too much money. You're supposed to buy some fucking servers instead. Fuck spending money on ping pong tables that no one ever uses, fucking music rooms, lap rooms, meditation rooms, stress-free rooms and Pilates rooms. Fuck the ridiculous incentives that you give your employees too. Like, fuck your unlimited vacation policy. It is fucking bullshit. None of your employees will even take those many holidays, dude. But more than all that, fuck you, Startup World, for making me one of you. Special thanks to my mom, who was my patient videographer.